Hello and welcome. This is Clint and Tim again with another coffee talk. I'm Clint.
And I'm Tim.
We want to welcome you. I'm here in the Great Pacific Northwest. I've got my cup of tea because I'm not supposed to drink coffee at night.
Right, and I'm in the Philippines drinking coffee.
There you go. It's still morning for you. It's a wonderful morning there and a beautiful evening here in the Pacific Northwest. Tim, what do we got on tap today?
I thought it'd be good to show people where the wallet is because at the end of the day, we're all here to make some money, and it might be nice to know where your wallet and your money is.
That's a good idea. Really good idea. There's two places we can see your wallet. One of them is much better. Tim, you want to kind of tell people where we can find both versions and which one is better?
Right, so everything starts with your dashboard, and if you scroll down a little bit towards the bottom of the page, you'll see an earnings area here. And yeah, it's quite confusing. There's a lot of information, but at a quick glance, you can see things that are going on. But this is actually not the best place to see what's going on and to actually access your wallet. On the left-hand sidebar, this little black sidebar, you'll see the financial tab. If you click on that, it drops down. The first one is your wallet, your earnings, your balance sheet, your purchase history, and very importantly, your withdrawal history. So if you're a new member, you probably don't have any withdrawals right now, but with time, you certainly will. So if we click on the wallet, it will take you over to the wallet area. And there's lots of information up here, which you can read in your own time. But if you scroll down, you have all your balances and something very special over here, which is send funds. Do you want to talk about that?
Absolutely.
Just
This is
briefly.
a wonderful feature, and we don't want to take a lot of time on this, but you have the ability, folks, to transfer funds to your team. Your team can send money to you. And this really helps perhaps people that are working as team leaders in countries where it may be difficult to get crypto. A leader can buy a bunch of Bitcoin, and then as he receives local fiat, he can transfer that internally. Keep in mind, funds transferred with this system cannot be withdrawn. They have to be used to purchase. Okay. But it's a wonderful way. We even allow you to transfer money to a couple of our other sites, Infinity List Boost and Infinity Mailer Boost. But we know that sometimes people might be a little tiny bit short of buying the next TPO or a little bit short of upgrading at the mailer. This gives people and teams the ability to work with each other.
Very excellent. And if you scroll down a bit further, you'll see information about how you can deposit funds and also withdraw funds. And it'll tell you you can withdraw funds when you exceed 0.0004. So I'm a little way away from that. And I've just done a purchase of a TPO9, so that's why I haven't got much here at the moment. But that will soon increase. So
Excellent.
that's pretty much how you access your wallet and where all your money is. As I said, we're not going to, in this video, show you how to withdraw and how to transfer and all those kind of things. But now you know where your wallet is.
I think, Tim, there's a couple of important things here. Scroll down a little bit for me, please. Actually, you have two wallets, folks. You have an ITB mailer, excuse me, an ITB wallet and a mailer wallet. All right. I'm going to go down the rabbit hole on this. We'll do a deep training on it. But the important thing is for those of you that are on a subscription with the mailer, whether it's monthly or annual, you are charged to that mailer wallet. And so once we start, right now we're during a kind of an introductory period. Nobody's getting charged a monthly or an annual. As we move towards that, you'll be alerted. But keep in mind that we have a subscription wallet within the system. You can deposit and withdraw from your ITB mailer wallet with no cost, no penalty, no lock, no nothing. Okay. It's really important. Tim, there's another category of funds that is in here that's related to the surfing. Do you want to hit that real quick and then we'll wrap this puppy up?
Which one are you referring to?
Okay, so when you surf, folks, you earn surf reward shares, and those are worth Satoshi. Those amounts are credited to your account, but are only able to either be used to purchase or to transfer to other members. And that is broken out into its own line item. And it's important to understand that you earn real live Satoshi for surfing, but it's to be used to help you get on the income staircase or help another team member.
Right.
Good. I think we
Yep.
did. I think we did a short one for once. Anything else we missed here with the
Yeah. Hey.
basic wallet 101?
No, I think that's it.
Excellent, excellent. And again, there is information on the dashboard. We encourage people to come to this more simple version. Click on financial, click on wallet. You're here. And as always, folks, if you have any questions or comments on this video, please post them here in the YouTube channel. And I think we're golden. Any last minute things, Tim?
No, that's it. I think asking a question is great. We read every single message that comes in, so we look forward to them.
Rock and roll. Good stuff. Greatly appreciate it. And folks, you know the drill. Let's rock and roll, have some fun, make some money, and help a whole lot of people earn a whole lot of Satoshi. Thanks, everyone. Have a good one.